Hello! John staring at me in the background. What?
He's back there looking at me disapprovingly.
Well, we were gonna do something a little bit funnier for that. Nonetheless, this is the longest video we've ever put up on the channel. I think this is gonna be around 20 minutes with this intro.
15 to 20-ish.
Well, we don't have a box right now, and the next box that we're gonna get is gonna come in next Friday. This is gonna be a highlight video of the entirety of season 1. We're kind of clickbaiting it of like 2015.
I've not done the math yet.
$15,000 worth of sneaker mystery boxes unboxed in one video. Then people are gonna click on it like you did and realize that it's an amalgamation of many different clips, many different videos, not just a single video. But let's hope you're not disliking, let's hope you're hitting that like button. Anyways, before I get talking too much, make sure you check out all the new merch at SwazyToPlug.com. We got the Pizza God merch, we've got the X or censored merch, and the normal Swazy to Plug merch, got the Swazy to Plug box logo. I'm pointing all over the place, and I don't even know if Sonny's gonna put anything up there. If he's not, that's gonna be really funny that I'm just pointing in the sky. But nonetheless, link in the bio is gonna be the top link in the bio, SwazyToPlug.com. While you're down there, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I did a site-wide price drop. Every pair of sneakers on the site has been dropped by at least $15. So if you haven't yet, go check out SwazyToPlug.com, not just for the merch. And if you decide to buy some merch, use coupon code
Sunny for 10% off.
John! J-O-H-N!
or Swazy if you want me to donate the 10% to breast cancer awareness. Nonetheless, that is about everything I think I need to touch on. Anything else that I'm missing, Sonny? John, am I missing anything?
Buy some merch so we can get out of this basement.
Use code John!
Use code John. All right, thanks guys, appreciate it. Enjoy the video. I see London here, so I'm guessing it's maybe an Olympic collab of some sort, or just released at a consignment store or a store overseas.
Whoa! I have never in my life I've seen this model. Kamikaze model is very popular, but I've never seen this.
And the lowest pair on GOAT. There is only one pair on GOAT right now that is brand new, and it's a size 5. It is priced at $285. It's LeBron's, and there's only like a handful of really good LeBron's that I know of. And those don't look like ones that are really good. Air Trainer SC High Premium Plus. Moving on. Well, there's only one used pair on GOAT right now. It's going for $190. It's much cleaner than this pair. I'll even put some TLC into this pair and see what I can get out of it. Got some of these maroon joints, I guess you could say. Dead stock though, so that's nice, brand new with the tags on it. Someone that owned this must have been named, have the initials JA. The recent release, yep, January 2018, of the Great Value Pure Money 3s. You got the translucent sole, as you can tell. Worn. This looks like it belongs on the bottom of an arcade. This looks like arcade carpet.
Yeah.
Am I wrong? Size 8.5, so good size for Jordan. I want to say this is the Royal Blue 12. I could be totally wrong. The last time I got this shoe though, it was a loose pair, no box, GS size. So at least we got something a little bit bigger. Air Jordan 11 Space Jams. They don't look to be brand new, but they're in really good condition. Okay. All right, size 5.5Y. On the upside, there's not a listing for it on GOAT. On the downside, if you know anything about GOAT, you'll know what red prices mean. Obviously worn, but not in too bad a condition. Yeah, pretty straightforward, super basic.
Air Jordan 6. I see black, red, so I'm gonna guess these are the infrared 6s. I was right. Got the Bugs Bunny 8s. I believe these are what they're called.
Okay, I mean, these aren't bad Air Maxes. These are actually, I think these are the infrareds. So someone unlaced these things. Yellowing on the bottom, but that's just what happens when they have a node with it. God, I hope this is right. This is the Pure Money 3. Obviously showing its age. Cracking is intense on both midsoles. Obviously worn, nice and beat on the bottom here.
Interesting all around colorway, I guess. This thing is basically how you tie it. You tighten it and loosen it by turning that thing. But yeah, yep, these are DS. That's cool.
Nonetheless, these are a good release. I almost bought these. I remember in my size when they were going for like $350. I remember these were up there. I don't know if they still are. Had these once or twice. Worn, size 9.5.
Last shoe, we got it. This is a Yeezy V1 box, size. I think that's a size 9.5. I think they peeled it off a bit. Okay. My mouth's on fire. All right. Okay, so we got the receipt. It's a pair of worn Pirate Black V1s. I think this is the first release.
Oh! My size, actually. Not gonna wear them, but they are my size. Looks to be a little bit of wear right there, so they are worn, but barely. This is some old school foam posits. This is the OG foam posit, if I remember correctly. Well, I guess it's not a foam posit, it's just a posit. Flight posit, to be exact. Fair. Got some dead stock black Roshis, size 8. The French, I don't know if you, I know what this is. It's a French basketball competition, I believe. If it's not, I'm ignorant. I know these go for quite a bit. Or not quite a bit, but they're, maybe they do. I don't know. I'm gonna stop talking because I might be wrong. But these things are dead stock. Most recent release, again, size 9.5. Oop, almost hit our other camera. They are worn. I think this is just a university red, but an older version of the foam. Same exact shoe. Looks to be also dead stock. What a surprise! Brand new dead stock, size 8. These will move super easy on eBay. I'm not too worried.
Is the Yeezy foams. If I can get this. This is the only Lucy we have.
Size 8. Oh my God! I actually called that. Wow.
I think
These are dead stock. The Dr. Doom foams. I know these. I do know these. These are huge. My God. I just sold 2 of these in Cleveland and I was like, cool. I washed my hands of them. Nope. 2 more pairs. We got size 6 and size 5.5. Cool. One of my favorite 11s, apart from the obvious ones, like the breads and stuff, the leather on these were always looked amazing. 2s and 3s. Obviously, I don't know who would not know that. I mean, these are just such a staple in the sneaker community. They might be, and I might just be shitting on them, but in the 5 seconds it took me to look these up on Go, their lowest size is going for $60. I know these actually because the All-Star ones that came out had the same kind of color grain and the aglets. Shout out to Phineas and Ferb for teaching me that one. Fire Red 4s though, you can't complain. These things always sell regardless of condition because people love their 4s. But I don't know anything about 14s. These are also worn, no box. Not dead stock, but these are an old pair. 2009, so that is 10 years ago at this point. I already got these once in a smaller size. Are these worn? No, they are not. It doesn't have a date inside for a retro. I think these are dead stock. I think these are the original pair.
I don't even know when these came out.
They're basically just white Air Force Ones with the Rockefeller Records symbol on the back. The leather quality on these is always crazy.
I feel really bad because there's names for all of these, but
I don't know them off the top of my head.
These look like the Charlotte Hornets lows.
Cyber Monday 1 says not. Totally fine. Dead stock looks to be. Hate these boxes, Kanye! These are dead stock. I remember correctly, this is like a special drop they did where you can make this pattern or something along the same lines as it. Yeah, definitely not dead stock, but they're not in super bad condition. I totally forgot these actually existed. Worn, but barely. These are in great condition though. French blue 7s. My favorite part of these shoes, it comes from basketball. Some brown Ewing basketball shoes. The Stealth 5s. I got it right, everyone. So there we go. I actually didn't get it right. I said I didn't know what they were.
Okay, it's the new, these actually just came out recently. Also dead stock. Clay greens. Ooh, couldn't tell with the hang tag. Bottoms. Wow, I'm like shaking. These, Sonny, are the public school 12s. I could have just overreacted entirely. Well, these are going for $290 brand new on GOAT. Base size. Obviously worn, not a whole lot of creasing. These things also worn. This is actually the first time I've seen the 55s in hand. So as you can see, the camo pattern underneath is 3M. Yeah, old school metallic 5s. Oh, the Ferrari 14s, actually really like these. Size 9 Air Zoom Flight, the glove. So these are another one we can kind of just move right along through. This is the shoe that came out when Jordan was playing baseball. He was playing baseball. Kobe's looks like to be the cheetah print of some sort. Beat. Awesome, dead stock. That's a big one. If we would have got these things in a 12.5 for a 13, I most likely would have kept them. Very good condition though. Amazing condition. As you can see, a little bit of wear right there. I was correct. These are the He Got Game 13s from 2018. Ooh, some bread 13s, size 12.5. Yeah, these things are brand new. Air Jordan 13 OG 1998. Brand new, is going for $850.
It's not bad. Crazy.
Crazy, yeah, crazy. It's 5, I know that. It's not a metallic 5. These are the Shanghai Air Jordan 1 mids. Let me see. Size 11, ooh, you know this is a good sign, Sonny. Promo Y3. Promo in general. These are the mid versions. I'm pretty sure there's a mid and a high top. Brand new. Brand new in the size 9 goes for $1,400. Holy. But when they're this big, they look like a boat. They are like, I don't know, they look like moon boots. They look like astronaut moon boots. Uncaged, Ultra Boost, Gel Light 3s. I think these are like a collab, right? Yeah, with Packard, like neoprene ones. All right, so yeah, these are the platform ones. Look at the blues, blues. Some Uncaged Ultra Boost. Oh, these are like the first ones they came out with, I think. Look at the white cements. Cement 3s. These are the 2015, 2016 release. Oh, okay, we got the Chutney 13s. What's his name? These Motorsports. Starting off with some red 13s. It's 12 Retro Masters. Delta Force Low. Okay, so these aren't even SBs. But Sport Blues. And finally, the last shoe. I now have 2 of these, not in this exact same colorway, but some chocolate 750s, size 10.5. I would say the same, if not better condition than the triple blacks that I have, but low cut patent leather, unlike the highs on the 45s. Really good shoe, nice. July 4th, 2000. So another 19-year-old pair of shoes. I really don't know. This could be like a crazy good shoe and I don't know. Shattered backboard ones. Wow. Size 14. This looks like something you would wear when you were going hunting. You can see the orange and the camo. Oh, got the citrus 7s. Size 12. There's only one size listed on GOAT right now. It's size 9. It's going for $400. I don't know what to say with I really don't. It's insane. All right, got the All-Star ones, first out of the box. These are the companion pair that dropped with the 31s. Now these are tiny. Worn NMD R2. What? Nope.
almost said dead stock, and then I saw that little tiny piece of dirt right there. These are the Air Jordan 5 Retro GG Hot Lob. No, I'm not. These could, no, all right, they're not dead stock more than maybe once. Yeah, August 7th, 2000. Like Sonny said off camera, these can play the lottery in the state of Nebraska. These are 19 years old. Got some Parlay Ultra Boosts. I've always liked the Parlay concept. These things, look at their toe cap on. These things look like steel-toed boots. My God. These things are beat. As you can tell, they're worn. 5.5 wide. These are the Chicago 10s. I think this is the Laney 14. I know it probably won't go for much. Worn cherry red lows, or cherry lows, 11. These are the Little Posit Eggplant, size 6 wide foams. Oh, these are actually kind of cool. Ooh. I actually like this color. So going off the assumption that these are worn, size 9.5 Union 1s, these go for $1,095 is the lowest ask right now on GOAT.